to decide that the things that I tried were in my life just to get high on. When I sit alone, come get a little known, but I need more than myself this time.
Já.
Sim, você ganhou esse jogo. E como vai ser lá no Kiss Games?
Eu tô sabendo de tudo, mano. Não, mas cala a boca, tu que tem que estudar, tu tem que se cuidar, mano. Porque eu tô sabendo. Chego lá, eu vou chegar vou lá pra vencer, tá ligado?
Calma, é só...
Calma. Um negócio lá.
Tá bom.
Vamos pro Kiss Games?
Estamos aqui com mais um Kiss Games. E aqui estão nossos participantes: Hitler e Perseu. Vamos começar o jogo. Em que ano foi criado o primeiro videogame? Zé, qual foi o videogame mais vendido? Tio Kevin. Qual foi o jogo mais vendido no mundo? Pokémon Go.
Já. É pra gravar! Gravou!
Perseu, você está bem? Eu acho que quebrei. Então eu vou chamar a ajuda.
Aguente firme, meu filho, você vai se recuperar. O que aconteceu com ele, doutor?
Bom, ao ser espancado, sofreu uma grande hemorragia na parte do tronco. E também ele quebrou a perna e fraturou o pé.
Nossa!
Terminou de matar, desgraça!
Ajuda, doutor!
Me solta! Desgraçado! Que isso? Não!
If I die young, bury me in satin, lay me down on a bed of roses, sink me in the river at dawn, send me away with the words of a love song. Lord, make me a rainbow, shine down on my mother. She'll know I'm safe with you when she stands under my colors. No, life ain't always what you think it ought to be. No, ain't even great, but she buries her baby in the sharp knife of a short life. And I've had just enough time. If I die young, bury me in satin, lay me down on a bed of roses, sink me in the river at dawn, send me away with the words of a love song, the sharp knife of a short life. I've had just enough time. I'll be wearing white when I come into your kingdom. I'm as green as the ring on my little cold finger. I've never known the loving of a woman, but it sure felt nice when she was holding my hand. There's a girl here in town, says she'll love me forever, and who would have thought forever could be severed by the sharp knife of a shoreline. Well, I've had just enough. Black dress with the tights underneath. I got the breath of a last cigarette on my teeth. And she's an actress, but she ain't got no meat. She's got money from her parents in a trust fund back east. Tongues always pressed to your cheeks, while my tongue is on the inside of some other girl's teeth. To tell your boyfriend, if he says he's got beef, that I'm a vegetarian and I ain't fucking scared of him. She wants to touch me, she wants to love me, she'll never leave me. Don't trust her, never trust her. Won't trust her, won't trust her. She wants to touch me, she wants to love me, she'll never leave me. Don't trust her, never trust her. Won't trust her, won't trust me. Back of your head, wash them in the bathroom and drink like a fan. Set list, you stole off the stage. Red and purple lipstick all over the page. Bruises cover your arms, shaking in the fingers with a bottle in your palm. And the best is, no one knows who you are, just another girl alone at the bar. She wants to touch me, she wants to love me, she'll never leave me. Don't trust her, never trust her. Won't trust her, don't trust me. She wants to touch me, she wants to love me, she'll never leave me. Don't trust her, never trust her. Won't trust her, won't trust her. Shush, girl, shut your lips. Do the Helen Keller and talk with your hips. I said, shush, girl, shut your lips. Do the Helen Keller and talk with your hips. I said, shush, girl, shut your lips. Do